In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed fonts in PowerPoint so your presentation looks exactly the same on any computer. This is super useful if you're sharing slides with coworkers, clients, or classmates, and you want to make sure your custom fonts don't get replaced or broken on another device. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation as usual. Once you're inside PowerPoint, look to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage menu where you can access the main program settings. From there, go down and click Options. This will open the PowerPoint Options window, which gives you control over things like saving, proofing, language, and display settings. Now, in the Options window, look at the left-hand menu and click Save. This is where PowerPoint keeps the settings related to how your files are stored and shared. Once you're in the Save section, scroll down until you find the font embedding options. You should see a checkbox that says Embed fonts in the file. Go ahead and check that box to turn it on. After enabling font embedding, PowerPoint will ask you to choose between two different options. The first option is embed only the characters used in the presentation. This is the better choice if you want to keep your file size smaller, because PowerPoint will only save the specific letters and symbols that actually appear in your slides. The second option is embed all characters. This is a better choice if you plan to edit the file later, especially if someone else might need to add new text using the same font. It does make the file a little larger, but it gives you more flexibility. Once you've chosen the option that fits your needs, click OK to save your settings. That's it. Your fonts are now embedded in the PowerPoint file, which means when you send the presentation to someone else, the fonts are much more likely to appear correctly without being substituted. If you're sharing slides professionally, this is one of those small settings that can make a big difference in how polished your presentation looks. It helps protect your design, keeps your formatting consistent, and saves you from last-minute font issues right before a meeting or presentation. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tips. And if you want more PowerPoint guides like this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.